Hey guys! It's
Hey
Rhonda
everybody!
and Monica.
Woo!
How's everybody doing today? Happy Tuesday. So, we are here to announce the winners of the contest that we had going.
Yay! As you guys can see, I had a little bit of a blip. I gotta show you guys. It's really funny. So I went to print out everybody's names. There's a couple of names right there, but everybody has all their entries in this little bucket. But as I was printing them out, apparently I don't have any printer paper, and I loaded in used printer paper at some point. So that's why you see the red on everything. But there's Matilda, there's Henrietta. Everybody's names are in here. Rhonda's going to run through the list right now.
All right. So as we announced for the contest, people who enrolled in IPS at the pro level each got 10 entries into the contest. And those people are Sydney, Deborah, Sarah, Nancy, Jennifer, Shelly, Elisa, Shazia, Henrietta, Matilda, and Vanessa. All those people enrolled at the pro level, and then people who enrolled into IPS at the elite level each got 3. Those people are Rosalind, Killian, and Victoria. And people who enrolled at the starter level each got 1 entry. Those people are Naya K, I think she likes to be called, Michelle.
Naya K, I don't even know how to say it. Not like Naua. Yay!
Jane, Jackie, Rita, and Nikita. So those are all into that bucket there. And once again, just to rehash, the prize contest was 3 cash prizes. So those cash prizes are going to be $25 each.
Woo!
Okay.
But you'll get PayPal to you today.
Yes. So 3 at $25, and then 1 lucky person gets to have a 30-minute coaching call with Rhonda and Monica.
Rhonda and Monica. Okay, let's do this. I'm excited.
Do this. All right. So the first person getting.
Who do I got? Elisa.
All right. Congratulations.
$25. Dollar bill. Woo, 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 woo.
Elisa will get $25 PayPal to her today.
Awesome. Okay. Next lucky winner. Oh my goodness. Who do we got? Oh, I don't know who to pick. Oh. Henrietta,
congratulations.
$25 bills.
$25 to Henrietta.
For the last cash prize. Oh, wow. I shouldn't sing ever, should I? Last cash prize is Michelle!
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
you get $25
everybody.
To you.
And then, this is for the good one. I think it's the best one.
And for the 30-minute private coaching call.
Zoom, and we'll record it for you so you can always have access and go back, and we'll give you tons of our little tricks and trips. Trips?
Where would
we don't
you
have a trip yet. Maybe this time next year we'll be giving away a trip, Rhonda. What do you think?
Maybe.
Okay, here we go. Oh, I want to keep stirring. I want to keep stirring it up. Nikita! Congratulations! Woo! Oh, that was fun. I want to keep going.
Awesome.
I want to keep going.
Those are the winners of our first contest here in our group. We're super excited. And also thanks to everybody who's joined this group. We hope you're getting a lot of value out of it so far.
And for our business partners, we want to say, you know where to find us. We've had lots of people reaching out, and they get little tips and tricks from us. So don't be afraid to reach out to us if you've partnered up with us. We're here for you. Let's go. It's 2021. Congrats, everybody. We'll be on again with another training.
Yes, we will be doing another live training also for you guys, and we'll record it for those of you who can't make it live. But anyways, thanks for watching the contest. Congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations, everybody.
See you later.